Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today we are going to see that how our data is stored into the database and how they do the analysis of our data. I will tell you everything, watch till the end. Before that, I will tell you that what is meant by the database. The place which our data is stored is known as the database. Like example, I will give. I use the ICICI Bank and I will do the transactions daily. Then my data is stored into the database. After that, it will convert into data lake or data warehouse where the huge amount of the data is stored. This is the database in which the data is stored maximum 1 year, and after that it will convert into data lake. Here all our past years data is present and they will do on this analysis. This was the video that in which we saw that how our data is stored into the data lake.